Nearly half of Alec Murdaugh's assets will go to the victims of that fatal boat crash allegedly caused by his late son, Paul. According to a new court order this week, the victims of that 2019 boat crash in Beaufort County, South Carolina, will get 45% of the disbarred and disgraced attorney's remaining money, 29% of that going to the family of Mallory Beach, the 19-year-old who was killed that day. Or that night. The heirs of the Murdaugh family's deceased housekeeper, however, are not included in these divided assets. And Eric Bland is an attorney for that family of housekeeper Gloria Satterfield. I know that this news was crushing for this family. Why wasn't Gloria's family included in this settlement?
Good morning, Marni. Thank you for having me. That is the big question that we need an answer to. I wrote an email yesterday to the special referee, and we're going to file a motion to reconsider. It's inconceivable that the Satterfields, including our other clients, the Plyler sisters, receive $0 when the Satterfields have a $4.3 million judgment against Alex Murdaugh that he gave after the Satterfields, on our, as a result of our efforts, recovered over $7.5 million. Alex knew that he had additional liability, and we fought very hard and got a judgment against him, a judgment that was upheld by a circuit court judge, and later on appeal, the defendants decided to dismiss that appeal. To give the Satterfields $0 and the Plylers $0 and group them with Alex Murdaugh's brother, Randy Murdaugh, is really a disgrace. I mean, the law firm, PMPED, got 14%. Johnny Parker, who arguably it should have discovered Alex Murdaugh's fraud because he was his senior partner, he got 15%. It's just, it defies all logic. The public is outraged. We're going to file a motion to reconsider, and it's our hope that the special referee will change his mind.
Right. And when you think about all of the victims in this case, I mean, your client's family member, Gloria Satterfield, meant so much to the Murdaugh family, and they meant so much to her. And the way that she died and how it was handled with the insurance is just mind-boggling, even now, as one of the intricate pieces of this Alec Murdaugh web. What did it mean to this family to see Alec Murdaugh be sentenced to life, but to have these lingering questions about their mother?
I don't think they were so much concerned about their feelings on the murder convictions. They really weren't a part of that. What their real concern was that he had pled guilty and has now going to serve 24 years as a result of stealing $3.5 million of the $4.3 million that was recovered on their behalf, along with other thefts that he did. That is justice to them. But it's inconceivable to them that he gets to keep the $3.5 million that he stole from them, because we were fortunate to sue banks, law firms, and other people to recover more than $7.5 million. He says, well, I'll keep the $3.5 million. You got enough. And the special referee picked winners and losers, and it's kind of offensive to say, well, you got enough money, but other people didn't get as much as they should. Look, the boat victims absolutely should have gotten the primary amount of money. Mallory Beach, there's no amount of money that a parent could get for their kid. But they have recovered over $20 million so far for her death. Again, it's not enough. But he chose winners and losers instead of equitably and fairly dividing the money. Remember, he sits in equity, and equity is about fairness, and you can never, ever justify not giving any money to the Satterfields when he stole $3.5 million from them.
No doubt they were just severely impacted victims in all this. But Eric, I wonder, does he have the money? I mean, where did all this money go, and can it be recovered?
Well, the receivers have recovered $1.9 million to date. And obviously, he stole more than $10 million from his clients, and he made a lot of money annually, up to $5-6 million a year. A lot of it, I think, is hidden. We think that there's money in captive insurance companies in the U.S. Virgin Islands and other countries. We think that there's property that's being held in straw name. And our judgment of $4.3 million, Marni, is good for 10 years. So notwithstanding this setback, we intend to continue to pursue his assets. But he's a smart guy, a shady guy. Criminals are really good at hiding their money. And, maybe over time when he's sitting in a cell alone, a pang of conscience will come across and he'll do the right thing.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.